In this lecture, we will learn 3 different ways of removing duplicate elements from an array in JavaScript. So first of all, I'll create the index.js file. Now let me create an array. I'll say const arr, and inside let me give few values where I have some duplicate values as well. Now first let me show the arr which I convert using the set method. So I'll say console log new set in the brackets the array, that is arr. Now let's save this and run the program. And here we have the set 5 and unique values. But actually this is just a set and not an array. So to convert this set object in array, I'll make use of spread operator. That is, I'll say, for example, const new array is equal to, in the square brackets, that is, I want to convert it into an array, we'll say the spread operator, that is dot 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 new set and the array. And let me also display this new array as well. I'll say console log new array. Now let's run the code, and here we have the set as well as the array with the unique values. So this was a very easier way. Now let me also try to get the string values inside the array. Instead of numeric, I'll just put some strings. Let's save this and let's run the code. And again we have the unique values. So set is a very simpler way of handling with this, though there are many ways. Let's try one more way here. The next is the filter method. Now let me just remove the previous code. I'll keep the array intact. And here I'll say const new array. Now I'm going to use the filter method. And inside we have the callback function where I'm retrieving the value and index. And I'm going to return the array dot index of value is equal to index. Now what this statement will do, it will check if there is any element existing, then it will return that index number, and if it does not exist, it's going to return -1. That's how the index of behaves. So it performs the matching operation and returns the element. So anyway, it will return the first occurrence of that element and will not search for the newer one. And that's how the new array is created. Let's display the array. I'll say console log and new array. Let's save this. And there we have the unique elements, that is array without any duplicate values. The third value is we are going to use the for each method. So for each is a kind of method which allows us to loop through every element. So let me remove the code again. I'll create the new array with const new arr, the square brackets. And now I'm going to use the arr.forEach. And inside we have the callback function where every value will be retrieved. And again, I'm going to use the index of operator, and as I mentioned that if it returns -1, that means the value not found. Then I'm going to push it to new array, so there will be a new array created, and if it is found, then certainly it will not match the condition. It will return the index of the found element place. In that case, it will not add in the array. Now let me just say console log new arr. Let's save this and check the output, and there we have unique values.